Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ram 3500 in a Tradesman trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins Turbodiesel inline 6, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here, as well as reveal some storage bins underneath for some more storage, and two cup holders in the middle there. Then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 69,828 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And then to the left you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your vehicle information, trip information, trailer tow status, your now playing, so your radio station warnings, and then your screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and then I believe also Bluetooth and auxiliary, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, and USB, of course. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with the ability to zoom in on your hitch area so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you have a little cubby here with a 12-volt power outlet, and moving down, you have your hazards and your traction control shut off, and your climate controls here just on 3 dials. Very simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls just on buttons, and then moving down further, here you have your trailer brake controller, your tow haul mode button, and your diesel exhaust brake, as well as 6 auxiliary switches or buttons here, which can be wired up however you please or however you need them. Moving over, you do have this large cubby up above the glove compartment there, and moving down from this stuff again, you have another cubby there with like change organizer and all that. And then to the left you have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and your auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, with another USB inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you have another little like storage cubby area underneath that. Then looking back, last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.